Regina, I gotta take big steps. This night on one shoe, one slipper in the other. Are you ready for the giant steps? Being that my feet are 11. It's 11. To the Christmas tree. Oh, what's that, bitches? Is that Furman Stan? That's been there for months. You've seen it in my videos. Oh, Annie, you're full of shit. Boom, 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 boom. Oh, hi, Pumpkin. Pumpkin, you're round. The chosen one. My baby. That's a mama. Hi, mama. Hi, chosen. Oh, that's little baby. Wow, where are you going, little baby? Oh, look, they have a little meditation spot right here. I'm gonna put. She meditates with the cats. Oh, it's beautiful. Chosen, what are you doing, Chosen? Where are you going, Chosen? Oh, gotta do our peekaboo. Oh, big steps. Big steps. We gotta take big steps, huh? Me and the cats gotta take big. Oh my God, there's my room. Oh, I walked out of my room. Woo! Let's stomp on some leaves. Big stomps. We're gonna have big stomps for Gina. Boom, boom, boom. Oh, a hammock. Wow, it's so hard to walk out here and sit in a hammock. Damn, it's so hard. Oh, this is actually a good spot. Sit in my hammock. Actually, I like sitting on this chair here. This old bench came with the house. Oh, yeah, cat. Hi, cat. Yeah, I never come out here ever. Step outside. Chosen one. Should I film another day, Chosen one? I guess my cats. Hey. Yeah, you're chosen. Oh. Gina doesn't think I can take big steps. Only tiny itty bitty steps, yes. Reach up to the sky. Look at my tree. It's getting loaded. I could put it in my tea. Oh, I love the little red, and my orange tree. That's an orange tree. Hi, cats. It's a pretty day out. Oh, hi, Mommy. Hi, Athena. Hi, Athena. Yeah, we never come out here and pet the cats. Every day we do. Look at my babies. So there's two that they're like twins. And then the chosen one. And this is the mom. Hi, Mom. Hi, Mommy. Mommy, me. Mommy. Mary had a little lamb. Sleeves as white as snow. Sometimes the babies let me hold them. Oh, they're very inquisitive. Then Evie likes to go on the tree right there. Where that? I'll show you. Right. Oh, my finger right there instead of there. Like a cat predator. The cat predator. What do I need a gym for? What do I need a gym for? I had a gym membership. I think I froze it. I'm not paying for that. Okay. Oh, it's a garden kitty. Oh, right here is a good sunspot. This is a sun gazing spot. Oh, except the sun. Here comes the sun, little darling. I was waiting for Melody to get off YouTube so I could do outside videos. Because she's always going to criticize them. God forbid I'd be happy. God forbid. Oh, gotta do her big steps. Gotta do the sound effects on a cat. You wanna walk with me, cat? That's the mom. I mean, you know, we have bikes here and we have a treadmill. I'm not gonna fall on the bike though. I get dizzy. Big steps on the grass now. Have to do the sound effects. Gotta be all extra dramatic and shit. Like these bozos on YouTube. Yeah. Good little pepper here for Ricky. Look at that, Ricky. Ricky, I love your videos. Cool. You're cool, buddy. You're cool. Don't worry. A few of my subscribers are confused. Oh, we're working together. We're working together. Well, I have a very interesting sense of humor. Oh, right. I'm really out of breath. So it's good footage. I tell you, I get asthma for the littlest things. Not even doing anything, actually. I just have it. Asthmatic. Asthmatic. This is our great avocado tree. It is so tall. Isn't it amazing? Oh, look at this palm tree. And their tree right here, I think they have an apple tree right here. Birds! Look at the birds. Whee! I hear the birds. Sound pretty. This is my rosemary for my witchy spell. And here's the other lemon tree. Little lemon. The little garden. This is marjoram. This is great for my oils. Let me pause it so I can pick it. Hold on.